here's meteorologist Michelle Muscatello with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, I was out in Cranston today visiting a school and still was able to see a little coating of snow on some of the grassy surfaces there. And this was the scene last night sent in from Rob out of Franklin, Mass, where they picked up a ½ inch of snow. We actually came in with snowfall totals in West Gloucester, Rhode Island and Cumberland, Rhode Island, just under an inch. And again, it was mostly confined to the grassy surfaces and the car tops. Even at the airport, a report of a trace of snow, which actually tied the record on that date for October 27th. As we take a look at the temperatures right now, most of that snow melting away as we've risen above freezing now into the 40s, 42 Cranston, 44 in Attleboro, 45 in Little Compton. Dry skies and expecting to stay that way throughout the daytime today on live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. So the bus stop this afternoon, just dry, cool and sunny, about 42 to 47. The kids maybe hitting those Friday night lights this evening. They're going to find a chilly night, an extra blanket and a cup of hot chocolate for the football games tonight. 7 o'clock in the evening, temperatures around 43. By 10 o'clock in the night, we're down to 39. I want to spend a lot of time on Futurecast here showing you the onset of our next storm system. So we're dry this evening and throughout the rest of the nighttime hours. Just some high clouds streaming in through the night. Tomorrow morning, it's mostly cloudy, but I do think we'll wake up to dry skies. I'm looking for the rain to start to arrive around lunchtime tomorrow and overspread our area from south to north. So this is 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and you can see already some of that wintry weather in and around our area. As the temperatures cool off overnight Saturday, the transition will happen again from rain back to some cold, wet snow, and that should happen from north to south after, say, 8 o'clock in the evening. And that's when we have the potential to pick up some accumulating snow and make travel very difficult. These are overnight lows for tonight, down to about 30 to 34 inland areas. Newport around 37 degrees, so another cold night. The winter storm watch that we have is for our inland areas, and it starts Saturday afternoon. It goes through Sunday morning. Now, timing wise, again, we're looking at it beginning as rain in the afternoon, then transitioning to a wet snow, or at least a mixture with wet snow, through the evening hours on Saturday. For Saturday night, a heavy wet snow is possible, especially in our inland areas. It's going to be combined with a gusty north and northeasterly wind. It's going to lead to poor travel. We're concerned about power outages. We still have a lot of leaves on the trees, and you get that wet, heavy snow on top of those leaf-covered trees, and you could cause branches to be snapped and certainly some power outages to happen. Flooding, coastal flooding around an astronomical high tide is possible for eastern Massachusetts. We'll have to watch that. And it does look like it's going to taper off by Sunday morning. Now, these are snowfall accumulations by early Sunday morning. I'm looking at a coating to 2 inches of snow for a good part of our area away from the immediate coastline. What I'm watching for is enough to plow and shovel Providence and points north and west, 2 to 5 inches of snow. The heaviest, the hardest hit area will likely see 6 to 12 inches of snow in New England. Now, where I'm expecting that to be right now is more western New England and north central Massachusetts. So from Worcester out towards the Berkshires. Now, we'll have to watch the track of this storm, because if it were to track a little closer to us, we'd get more rain and less snow, and these accumulation amounts would be sort of shifted to the north. And if we were to get the storm to pull a little bit further away from us, we'd get more cold air, and we could be talking about even higher amounts here. So definitely check back in for updates. Your 7-day Futurecast showing, again, that wintry weather for your Saturday evening and night, and then a dry day on Sunday, a high of 49. Halloween Monday still looking just fine. Temperatures around 54 in the afternoon, with sunshine should be in the 40s for trick-or-treaters. So long johns on this year, but certainly looking like the first accumulating snow of the season for much of our area.